everyone, I'm Bhakti from the Bodhi Journal. I'll be showing how to make phone case cover for coffee lovers. You'll need a transparent phone case and a base paper. Here I am using a craft paper. Outline out the phone case using a pencil. Then cut it out using a scissor. Make an incision for the camera lens and cut out that area. Once ready, place it inside the phone case to check if it fits right. Now it's time to decorate the cover. I'm using coffee filter paper. Absolutely love the texture on it. Tearing out some bits and pasting it with a glue tape. Now I'm cutting out the extra bits. Picking two of the most aesthetic stickers in the same tone. Then I'm going to add some round stickers in similar brown shade. The Starbucks logo is a must since it's all about coffee. Now I'm adding some more cute coffee stickers. Next I'm adding these coffee splatters and coffee stains. They're one of my most favorite elements. And it gives a really nice rustic look. You can get all these stickers that we've used for the phone case DIY from our website, thebodhijournal.in. We have used the coffee journaling kit. So go ahead and grab yours now, create something and have fun. And it's ready. We loved how it turned out. It looks so Pinteresty and aesthetic. Hope you guys like the video. Please do subscribe and comment so we can make more of these videos.